Tired of editing photos, one by one? Unleash the power of Photoshop presets. Presets are your secret weapon, transforming ordinary pictures into stunning visuals at a single click. Let's say you want to achieve a specific look, like enhancing colors first. Open a photo in Photoshop and make your adjustments. Use tools like levels, curves, or even filters to perfect your image. Remember, each adjustment appears in its individual layer. This non-destructive editing approach allows further adjustments without damaging the original image. Once satisfied, go to the presets option from the adjustment panel. Now, save these edits. Click the 3-dot menu and select new preset. Name it something descriptive. Ensure the boxes for the adjustments you want to save are checked. You will save all settings or only particular ones. Finally, click Save to make it usable for future projects. Time to apply. Open another photo, return to the adjustment panel, select Load Preset, and choose your saved preset. Instantly you've applied all the saved adjustments. Behold, instantly transformed. The preset works its magic. It's that simple. Presets streamline your workflow, saving you time and helping you achieve a consistent style. Subscribe for more editing tricks.